I'm Jan Bond, and I work for Public Health England in the South West.
Great. And you've just been on a 3-day action learning facilitator training. Can you tell us a little bit about what you've learnt and how it's felt, what you've got out of it?
What I've learnt is how action learning works for a variety of situations, whether that's around exploring things on a more emotional level or on a much more practical level. I was particularly interested in how we can use it around business planning, developing best practice in services, so I've got some really clear ideas about how we can use that to support partners in local authorities or other settings. So I've got some really quite excited about that. How it's felt very challenging. We've been trying it out on each other, and that's obviously the best way to learn a skill. It's been quite emotional at times to see some of the issues that people have explored in quite a deep way, but always coming up with some plans and some thoughts about how to progress, so it hasn't been a kind of focused in, stuck, navel-gazing thing. It's been definitely around looking forward to action, which is what I kind of was looking for. And it's been great fun. We've had some laughs, we've got to know each other, and I think that we'll probably stay in touch going forward.
Brilliant. And you referred to how you're going to use it in your job. Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
Yeah, well, within my organisation we work to support the development of best practice in the delivery of public health interventions. So we straddle between national government and local government, supporting the delivery of work. And so we sometimes work with people in local authorities who have major challenges around how can they deliver services in a different way, either to meet local need or to rise to the challenge of reducing budgets. And so there's always a job to be done in making it better, faster, slicker, or tapping into the needs of communities that are for whom there's more of a challenge in working effectively with them. So there's always a need to reevaluate, to explore, look at different, better ways of doing things.
Brilliant, thank you. And one last question.
Mm-hmm.
What would you say to somebody who was thinking about doing this course?
Make sure you know what it is before you go, but arrive with an open mind, a willingness to share, to try something out that might feel a little bit scary, but actually it's a really, really great course. I'd thoroughly recommend it.